Hello, good day everybody. This is FX. This is a chart on Euro AUD. Today I'll be telling you guys probably few reasons why I think we lost the Euro AUD trade. It's very simple. First of all, I'll be telling you guys why I took the trade in the first place. So, moving to the daily time frame. This is the so I got that set up from the weekly time frame instead. So moving to the weekly time frame, you can see the CRT formation. Remember, I always trade CRT, whereby we work with the power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This was a bearish candle, which is on Monday 25th of August. That was when the weekly candle started. You understand? So this very week the candle was bearish. After what? 2-dimension order flow. Are you seeing this 2-dimension order flow of bullish candles? So we have what this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Quite alright. It's a bearish engulfing pattern. But how wish the following week price closed lower than this very week? That would have been a confirmation for a bearish trend. I don't know if you understand me. How will the price close lower than this previous week? It would have been a confirmation for a bearish trend. That way, I would not have entered the trade. But in this case, price closed a bit higher than the closure of the previous week, indicating that the buyers are likely going to continue buying. Now, having known this, I've gotten my accumulation candle being this thick downward candle here. There was a sweep taking out the low of this very candle. You can see this is the manipulation, and a closure above, indicating a candle range sweep. This is the turtle soup, CRT plus TS. This is the turtle soup here that has confirmed these buyers. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to mark out my CRT high, CRT low, the midpoint of the accumulation of the manipulation week, which is this the lower shadow. I'm going to mark out the midpoint as our trade entry. Now moving to the daily time frame, you can see what I'm observing, right? Moving to the daily time frame, the reason why I'm taking this trade, that is why I'm just giving you, citing the things I observed. Now you can see there is a bullish engulfing here on a daily chart, which I took that as an influence to take the buy. You understand? This is a bullish engulfing. This price closed higher than this one. Forget about the week. There is a closure above. So getting to this point, there is no candle has engulfed this bullish candle. They are all closing by the side of the body. Are you seeing it? Not until this very one that engulfed it. You understand? So we have a bullish pattern here. Moving to the 4-hour chart. Moving to the 4-hour chart, the chart is looking good, whereby the trade got us in from this point. Are you seeing this very area? The trade got us in from this point and started pushing up. 4-hour candle, we were in profit to this level. You understand? This is where the trade took us in. This very candle here, look at the candle here, took us in, pushed to the upside. We made some profit, but unfortunately it happened in the night, so we were not active, though some of us created a limit order. This was what happened. It was running in profit, waking up to the trade. That was later in the morning. We saw this bearish reversal here taking us out. Price pushed a little bit higher before giving us a shift to the downside. So that was how we lost the trade. Are you seeing it? Moving to the 1-hour chart, you can see this was the activation of the trade before the trend continuation. You understand? That was when we lost the trade from there. So we got a little buy before hitting stop loss. I believe the CRT setup worked there because it's almost close to the 50% candle range. If you understand CRT properly, you know what I'm saying here. Now, the reason why I think we lost this trade again is because I overlooked a bearish CRT here. I think that might probably be the cause. There's a bearish candle range here, accumulation, a sweep, closure below. Probably the trade reacted to this and took out the low, and that was our SL. Few economic factors again that must have been the cost. So what I learned on this trade is that when next I spot a CRT setup, I will not trade any CRT that has a bearish engulfing as the candle range. I will not buy any CRT that has a bearish engulfing candle as the candle range. That is the lesson I've learned from this trade, and I will always try to look for any CRT that counterbands my trend. That is, if I'm seeing a bullish CRT from probably a weekly time frame, and I'm seeing a bearish CRT on a daily time frame, it's better I stay off that trade. So these are the two lessons I've learned for this trade, and I've decided to share it for you. I will not be trading a bearish engulfing candle. I will not be buying from it, no matter how that CRT setup forms. And I will always try to look for any setup that goes against my trend. So that's why we lose the trade, and that's why we entered the trade in the first place. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like, subscribe, turn on the notification button. You can as well join my Signal channel. The link will be on the description below. So bye for now.